Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a tater tot casserole. We're going to use 2 pounds of ground beef, kind of mash that up so we separate it and brown it good. 2 cups of medium-sized onions that I've already chopped up. 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now, we're just going to brown this before we mix the other ingredients and put it in a casserole and put it in the oven. It's a real easy recipe. I hope you try it. My daughter was selected as Citizen of the Year of West Memphis, and we're all going to the banquet. All we're going to do is brown this because it's going in the oven and it's going to cook, so we're just about ready to mix it all together. We're going to drain some of the fat off of that. Then we're going to put it in this mixing bowl. And if you noticed, I've changed to a skillet that's lightweight. I got to where I can't handle the cast iron. I love them, and I hope I don't have to quit cooking in them, but they've almost gotten too heavy for me. I hadn't got the strength I used to have. So I bought that one because it's lightweight. And okay, we have our hamburger meat, our onions, and our garlic in this. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to spray our casserole. This is a 9 by 13. We're going to put this hamburger meat, onion, and garlic in the casserole. We just level that out. We have 3 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. We're going to sprinkle over this. I don't think when I started this project I expected people to be quite so complimentary, but they have been, and it makes me feel better about it. We're going to mix cream of mushroom soup, 1 can, a little salt and pepper to taste. You just guess at that. And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now we're going to mix that up real good, and we're going to put that over the cheese. We could have used a smaller bowl, but we already had this one messed up, so we might as well use it. Now we're just going to spread this over the top of the cheese. We get some kind of little even spread over this. We have 32 ounces of tater tots, and we're just going to take these and put them over the top of this casserole. We preheated our oven at 350 degrees, and we're going to cook this for 1 hour. Our tater tot casserole is finished now, and it's a very pretty casserole. Our tater tot casserole is finished now. It looks very pretty. We're going to put a little bit in this bowl. And there's really not any use me tasting it because I know what it tastes like. I'll let you see it in a serving bowl. It's really good. I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And I thank you for watching. See you on another video.